Caribbean right now is being blanketed by a sandstorm that has come all the way from the Sahara. It sounds incredible, but it's actually something that happens usually every year about this time in the summer. What is unusual about it, though, is the density of the sand. There are scientists who say that it has been years, perhaps even decades, since they have seen such a thick sandstorm, so much sand in the air over the Caribbean, and it has gone island by island. Now it is going over the island of Cuba. This morning, Wednesday morning in Havana, it was a normal morning. It seemed perhaps a bit smoggier than usual, but throughout the day, we have seen the sky get darker and darker behind us. Buildings that usually would be able to see very clearly have become more and more blurry. People have said that they went the entire day without seeing the sun. In Cuba right now, it feels a lot hotter than it usually would. It feels like a very muggy, smoggy day, and that is just supposed to continue. They're recommending that everyone wear masks, which people, of course, are right now because of the coronavirus outbreak. They say that people should stay inside, drink lots of water, but that otherwise it really isn't too much of a health risk.
Our air right now and our water right now is as clean as it's been in decades.
One good side effect of all this, though, is the scientists say that dry, hot weather means that hurricanes are unlikely to develop. So while this is going on, they say it is unlikely we will see any hurricanes develop in the Atlantic. Of course, this is just temporary. The sandstorm is supposed to pass through the Caribbean, eventually get into the United States, and at that point, that effect that blocks hurricanes from forming will be over.